Welcome to Self-Reliance Armament, and today we're going to be taking a look at this bayonet. Oh man, it is so sweet. Someone gave this to me. It's a Smith & Wesson bayonet. Alright, let's get this. Ah. Welcome back to Self-Reliance Armament. I'm Drew Dorans, and today we're not really reviewing the bayonet at all. Alright, this bayonet was given to me, and I kind of thought the same thing. I was like, it ain't gonna stay there. Alright, because I don't have a bayonet lug. Got a full-length MLok rail. Alright, so what can I do? Alright, I was looking around the internet. There were some sketchy ideas and there were some good ideas. The one I wanted is no longer made, but came across something. So today, what we're really going to be looking at is Sig Sauer's Bayonet Lug that attaches to an MLok rail. Alright, so you know, it seems pretty solid, right? And it just take your bayonet here, put it on correctly, right? Line it up, and it holds on just like that. All right, but first we need to get it on the rifle and see how it looks. All right, so we got the screws here. Let's get it on. So, I'm assuming that I want this as high as I possibly can. And that looks like as high as I can get it. Alright. Oh yeah. This is YouTube, and you can't watch this. Be right back. Right after this word from our sponsors.
As a lumberjack, I've been cutting wood for decades. I see the wood, I chop the wood. My axe goes through every time. You remember when everyone bought all the toilet paper? And they wanted me to wear these things? And someone invested a lot of money into this stuff. They say I'm part of a global plan. I don't think so. It's too hot. It's too cold. You know what? The weather changes. We even hear crazy ideas on how kids should learn.
Here's the news, Dad.
Is it, son? Is it?
What about this one, Dad?
Nope. It's hard to tell what's real and what's fake these days. At the New American, they cut through the baloney and give me the truth.
Right now, you can visit thenewamerican.com and get 25% off your subscription.
All right, so got it on. So sorry you couldn't see that, but apparently YouTube doesn't like seeing people turn wrenches on guns. Weird. Anyway, so it did take me about 3 minutes to tighten 2 screws, but that is because of me. I do not exactly have it down to a science on how to put MLok accessories on. So I don't know, is there a tool out there? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know if there's a tool that I should check out. But anyway, so we got the bayonet lug on. All right, so pretty cool. All right, now time to put the bayonet on. And I can guarantee you, YouTube will not let you see this either. Alright, it's on. That's pretty neat. Okay, so what do I think of it? It's definitely sturdy. It went on nicely. It went on a lot easier once it's on the gun than it did when I didn't have it on the gun yet. And then, you know, with it on makes the rifle a little heavier, but with it off, it's pretty light. So this is lightweight, made by Sig Sauer. Yeah, I think we need to test it out a little bit more, but this is not the video for that, because it is snowing outside. It's cold, and I have no idea how I'm going to test this thing. We'll figure it out, though. Anyway, so far, I call this a win. It is so cool. I got my light. Yeah. All right. Anyway. Sorry. I think this is great. Anyway. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave it down in the comment box below. And if you want to see anything different, or you want to see something, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. All right, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the ring notification bell so you know when I upload. I know it's been a little bit, but life happens. You know, my oldest is in hockey and snow, and my daughter's in hockey now, so yeah. My time's hurting at this point, but one's almost done. Anyway, so why don't we do this? Like the video if you want to see me test this out, and I'll figure something out to do it. Anyway, hope you guys like that. And if I get 50 likes, I will do a review on the Smith & Wesson Special Ops bayonet. Otherwise, I really don't want to subject it to anything. But if I get 50 or more likes on this video, I'll review that as well. Alright. So you know what to do. This has been Drew Dorans. Happy shooting, happy prepping. Drew Dorans out. Dude, I love Bayonet Lug so much.